Hello students, welcome to Narayana Live classes. Today we are discussing 7th class mathematics as a revision assignment related to the topic number system. Right? Here is the first question. If A and B are twin primes and A cube minus B cube is equal to 866, then 3A square minus 6A is equal to. Here A and B are twin primes means the difference between two prime numbers is 2. So here A and B are twin primes means A minus B is equal to 2. A minus B is equal to 2. That implies B is equal to A minus 2. B is equal to A minus 2. Now given A cube minus B cube is equal to 866. So A cube minus B cube is nothing but A minus B into A square minus plus AB plus B square. This is equal to given 866. So A minus B given 2 into A square plus A into B is nothing but A minus 2 plus B square is nothing but A minus 2 whole square is equal to 866. Now these two transpose to that side, that implies A square plus A into A square minus 2A plus A square minus 4A plus 4 is equal to 433 is equal to 433. That implies A square plus A square plus A square, that is 3A square minus 2A minus 4A minus 6A is equal to this 4 transpose to that side, that is 433 minus 4 is equal to 429. So 3A square minus 6A is equal to 429, that is option 2 is the correct answer. Now coming to the next one. Which of the following is a perfect number? Perfect number means sum of all the factors of given number is twice that number. So here if you observe, this is a prime number, this is also prime number, and this is also a prime number. So give next what is the remaining one? 496. Now what are the factors of 496? So 1 is a factor and 496 is factor, 1 into 496. Next 2 is one more factor. So what are the another factor? 248 is another factor. So 6 plus 4 10 19, this is not divisible by 4, not divisible by 3. Now if we check 4, so yes, 4 is a factor. 4 is a factor means 4 to 124 times, right? 4 ones are 2 4s are 4. Next 5 is not divisible, 6 is not divisible, 7 is not divisible. Now you check 8, 8 is divisible. So 8 how many times? 62 times, right? So 8 is a factor and 62 is another one. Next if you check 16, so 16, 3 16s are 48, 1 16 31. These are the factors of this 496. Now if you add all these things, so 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 8 15, 15 plus 16 31, 31 plus 31 62, 62 plus 62 120, 124, 124 plus 124 248, 248 plus 248 248 that is 496, right? 496 plus 496, 496 plus 496, that is 12, 19, 992. That sum of all this is all these factors is equal to 992. This 992 can be written as 2 into 496. So 496 is a perfect number. 496 is perfect number. Now coming to the next one. The standard form of 1251. 1251. So this can be written as 3 into 407. Again this can be written as 3 into 139 9, 139. This can be written as 3 square into 139. So the standard form of 1251 is 3 square into 139. That is option 1 is the correct answer. Now coming to the next one, the number of divisors of 540 is, so 540 is equal to, this can be written as 10 into 54, again 10 can be written as 2 into 5, again 54 can be written as 2 into 27, again 2 into 2, 2 square into 27 is nothing but 3 cube into 5. So number of factors d of 540 is equal to 2 plus 1 into 3 plus 1 into 1 plus 1, this is 5 power 1, that is 3 into 4 into 2, 3 4s are 12, 12 2s are 24. Therefore, number of divisors of 540 is 24. Option 2 is the correct answer. Now coming to the next one, the number of even factors of 1960, that is 1960, this can be written as 10 into 196, again 10 can be written as 2 into 5, 196 can be written as 2 into 98, right, that is equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into, again 98 can be written as 2 into 49, this is 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 cube into 5 into 49 can be written as 7 square. So number of factors d of this 1960 is equal to 3 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 2 plus 1, that is equal to 4 into 2 into 3, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. These 24 are total factors. Now he is asking even factors. Now odd factors. Odd factors of 1960 is equal to, this odd powers, you take this one, that is 1 plus 1 into 2 plus 1, that is 1 plus 1 2, 2 into 3 6. So now number of even factors, is equal to total factors minus odd factors. Odd factors, total factors 24 minus odd factor 6, 24 minus 6 18. So number of even factors is 18. Option 4 is the correct answer. Thank you students. Stay home, stay safe.